Good morning, dear student. Today I will solve question number 11 in exercise 1.1 relation and function. Question number 11, show that the relation are in the set A from the point in a plane given by r. PQ distance of the point P from the origin is same as the distance of the point Q from the origin is an equivalence relation. Further, show that the set of all points related to a point P not equal to point of origin 0 0 is a circle passing through point with origin at the center. Now, given solution of this question, given R is equal to P Q points such that distance of the point P from the origin is as same origin is same as the distance of the point Q from the origin. Given that, so now initially we show that for reflexive first part for reflexive P belong to R. Since P and P is the distance of the point P from the origin. Therefore, R is reflexive. And also second part, for symmetric P and PQ belong to R, then PQ and P also belong to R. Therefore, P and Q is the same distance from the origin same distance from origin, then Q and P is also same distance from the virgin, therefore R is transitive. Third part, for transitive. For transitive, P, Q belong to R and P, Q belong to R and Q, S belong to R, then P, S also belong to R. Since P and Q is the same distance from the virgin and Q and S is the same distance from the virgin, therefore P and S is also same distance from the virgin, therefore R is transitive. Hence R is equivalence relation, and therefore the set of all given point related to a point is the circle passing through the point with virgin at the center. That's all.